Well, Suspender Man here, Don Schanzenbach with Tim, and we're working on this cabinet we wanted you to see. This it's an old cabinet. It's called a seller's cabinet, which you'd think, oh, that's really such great quality, but it wasn't. It was poorly built, but it's old. So we're saving it for the customers, and we're finding things like these aluminum plates that somebody put on to hold the joints together sometime after they broke. So you can see here how this wiggles. That's the joints pulling apart. And so we're going to fix that as best we can with our epoxy. Now, if you look around the back side here, the same cabinet, you can see how the veneer has pulled off the back. This is from high humidity or water getting on the cabinet. And this is why we don't like plywood on cabinets. We don't like plywood because it does this. Now we're going to repair this, glue it back and make it look good, glue back these joints, make this cabinet sturdy, and when we're done painting this cabinet 2 colors, it is going to look absolutely great. So that's what we do around here, and that's all I have to say.